The company MoveSpeed sent over this energy cube, a 70,000 milliamp hour power cube, so that I could take a closer look at it and tell you all about it. This power bank has a ton of capacity and charging capabilities, so let's get right into it. All right, now I've got this MoveSpeed energy cube out of the box here, but first up, let's go ahead and take a look at the manual that comes along with it. We've just got your standard instruction guide here showing you what all the ports are and their designations, along with the specifications for this charger, including how much wattage is available in every combination of those ports. So good information there in the manual. Along with the energy cube though, is this 100 watt capable USB Type-C charging cable. Now, again, this is a nice nylon braided cable, which I really like. All right, now moving over to the cube itself. This again is a 70,000 milliamp hour capacity power station here. We've got multiple connections up along the edge. So a couple things here. Up top, we have an LCD screen that's going to show us our current capacity plus our charging status. Then we have a simple power button here. We have two USB Type-C ports and then two USB Type-A ports. Now, along the back, we've just got some specification information, including the amperage and wattage output. Now, this can output up to 100 watts at a time, and that's if you use just the two Type-C connections at the same time. The top one's going to give you 65 watts, while the second one is going to give you 35 watts, and then a combination of all of them can give you up to 80 watts of power output. So depending on your needs, up to 100 watts of power output with this battery bank using those top two Type-C connections. Now, if I tap that power button once, it's going to turn that screen on and show us that we have a capacity right now of 55 watts. But if we plug this into a power source, we can actually see some additional information on the screen. So let's go ahead and do that now. All right, now I have a cable here that's plugged into a power source. Let's go ahead and get that plugged in. And as you can see, we are now charging this device. You're going to get a little rolling flash shutter there on the screen. That's just from the camera and the screen itself. But we see the flashing 5 there on 55. So that's our current percentage capacity. We've also got a nice green charging indicator here in the corner. And then we show that we've got 3.15 amps coming in at 19.5 volts. Now, some other cool features of this energy cube. We have a nice carrying strap handle here, nice thick leash here. And then we also have a light on this end with multiple modes. So if I press the power button twice, it's going to kick that light on. It's actually really, really bright here, almost washing out the camera. So let's go ahead and tap it once more. It's going to dim down a little bit. Tap it again, dims even more. And then one more tap is going to make the light flash, kind of in an SOS signaling pattern. It is not SOS, it's just more like a strobe actually. So if you're sensitive to that, watch out, but I'm going to do that for just a second here. And then pressing it one more time goes up to that highest brightness, and then you can cycle through with sequential presses. But if I just tap it again twice, it turns that light off, and you can continue using it as you would like. Again, we've got that light up screen there though, also that shows us our capacity. Just really cool, compact, yet power dense charging cube here. All right, so if you need a high capacity and high output charging bank, along with some other cool features like that LCD screen and of course the LED light, be sure to check this one out from MoveSpeed. Now, as always, I've got a link in the description below if you want to try out one of these battery banks for yourself.